My name is Brian Haas, and I'll be talking about why septic tank leakage is a wicked problem. So, to understand the problem, we have to understand how septic tanks are supposed to work. In the first figure, the inlet uh, takes in all liquids and solids waste from a business or a household, and it comes in, and the effluent is any liquid, the scum is any solids that float, and the sludge are any heavy solids that sink to the bottom. This first chamber is designed to capture all this. The second chamber of the septic tank is designed to capture anything that makes it through that middle little compartment there. And then the second figure shows the drainage field, which is where any effluent reaches the liquid. And the gravel there in that diagram is designed to further filter the effluent to a point where it can reach the soil to be even more filtered to a point where it is clean enough to reach the groundwater. The second largest source of groundwater contamination is raw sewage leakage from septic tanks. This is the cause of 41% of disease outbreaks and 66% of illnesses caused by contaminated groundwater. Uh, that is from faulty septic tanks, which are not working good. The triple bottom line starts with people. The owners of faulty septic tanks are the cause, and the people who own groundwater wells for drinking, which are being contaminated, are the affected. The environment is being affected because the nutrients from the leakage is helping create algal blooms in systems of water. This degrades the quality of the ecosystem and harms native species. And the economy, the effects which septic tanks have on the environment can be costly to clean up. And there's a lot of business in the installation and maintenance of septic tanks, which could provide a solution. Sustainable development is one of the United Nations goals to combat climate change. Helping developing countries install and perform maintenance on septic tanks would help combat pathogens in their drinking water. So, uh, the United Nations needs to keep that in mind as they do work on sustainable development. And one of the biggest problems in septic tanks that causes leakage is neglecting the need for it to get pumped. A small device which would detect when the chambers need pumping would help let owners know when to call professionals. This device is small and affordable. And here are my references.